Hello, welcome back. This is Gabriel once more from NgahTech Group. So today we are going to be looking at how can we actually fetch information or particular information from our database or from our table. So what I have done is that I have added about 10 different rows here, and I we are going to be using this to work with other statements. So now, if you select star from the students, this is what is going to display. We have student name, the student ID, course, department, and lecturer. Say, for example, we want to select a particular student with a particular ID. So what are we going to do? We are going to use the where clause. The where clause is used to filter records. It is used to extract only those records that fulfill a specific condition. So we can say, for example, let's say select student name, okay, from students where SDID is equal to 4, and we press enter. You see that it's going to select the name of that particular student where the name, this particular student where the name is equal to 4, which means that the name of that person or that student is Bertrand. Now we can say select name SDID from student where the ID is 4, and then it's going to select the name as well as the ID. So we can also say select name, ID, and department from students where ID is 4. You see that it's going to select the name and department where it is ID is 4. You can also use the course, which is Java. Okay, let's say where the course is equal to, remember when it is a string, we're going to use double quotations, Java. Okay, and then we press, and then we'll see that we are going to see that particular student where the department and where the course is Java. So if you want, you can add now the course there, okay, so that we should also know which course the person is taking, and then you see that the course name is Java. So that is how you can actually use the where clause to fetch records from the table following a specific condition. Thank you very much for watching, and let us see on our next video. This is Gabriel once more from NgahTech Group. Please, if you find this video interesting, please kindly subscribe, like, share our videos just to promote and help us to grow our channel. Thank you, and see you on the next video.